Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we'll talk about some startups which turned unicorn last year, that is 2020. In a recession-like year when the revenue crunch caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the resultant lockdown was often talked about in business circles, some Indian startups managed to weather the storm, post impressive revenue figures and raise funding to gain a valuation of more than $1 billion and enter the unicorn club. In all 11 startups, Unacademy, Pine Labs, FirstCry, Zenoti, Nykaa, Postman, Zerodha, Razorpay, Cars24, Daily Hunt, and Glance became unicorns this year. As experts have pointed out, the core propositions of these startups were ones that actually solved challenges for individuals and businesses during the lockdown for a larger portion of the year. Now let's talk about these startups separately. First up is Unacademy, with its Series F funding round worth $150 million led by Japanese multinational conglomerate SoftBank. Bangalore headquartered edtech startup Unacademy joined its competitor Byju's in the Unicorn Club in September this year. With the funding round, Unacademy's valuation climbed from $510 million to $1.45 billion. Founded in 2015 by Gaurav Munjal, Himesh Singh, Roman Saini, and Sachin Gupta, Unacademy claims to have 30 million registered users and around 350,000 paying subscribers. Next up is Razorpay. Bangalore-based payment gateway Razorpay entered the Unicorn Club in October last year when it raised $100 million in its Series T round led by GIC and Secure Capital India. The funding round also saw participation from the company's existing investors such as Caribbean Capital, Tiger Global, Y Combinator, and Matrix Partners. The company said that it would use the funds to launch products for its neo-banking businesses, Razorpay X, and lending business Razorpay Capital, seeking to double their growth in the coming year. It also plans to hire 500 people across functions of growth, product, and technology. Third one is Pine Lab. Noida-headquartered Pine Labs became the first unicorn for this year after its corporate round in January, led by New York-based financial services major MasterCard. Reports at the time suggested that Pine Labs' valuation for the round was close to $1.6 billion. Pine Labs enables online and offline retail transactions. It claims to process 30 billion payments per year. Let's talk about Nykaa. Mumbai-based omni-channel lifestyle retailer Nykaa entered the Unicorn Club in April this year after raising around $13.6 million from its existing backer Steadview Capital. The funds were raised as part of Nykaa's Series F funding round. Founded by Falguni Nayar in 2012, Nykaa is an online marketplace for beauty and wellness products. The company started its offline operations in 2015 and currently has over 70 stores, housing luxury brands such as Tom Ford, Jo Malone London, Dior, and Givenchy. The company plans to extend to a further 40 stores in the coming years. It claims that it's been fulfilling nearly 1.5 million orders a month, offering over 1.5k brands and 130k products. Now fifth up is Zerodha. Bootstrapped stock trading platform Zerodha claimed a unicorn valuation in its employee stock ownership plan buyback offer in June this year. The investment platform claimed that it would spend INR 60 crore to INR 65 crore to buy back from ESOPs, from senior management and long-term staffers, and offer liquidity option in its 10th year. With this, the company valued itself at INR 7,000 crore, roughly $1 billion. Bangalore-based Zerodha was founded in 2010 by Nitin and Nikhil Kamath and offers stockbroking services. Now let's talk about Postman. Bangalore-based software-as-a-service startup Postman jumped from valuation of $350 million in 2019 to nearly $2 billion for its Series C funding round worth $150 million in June this year. The funding round was led by New York-based investment fund Insight Partners. Founded in 2014 by Abhinav Asthana, Abhijit Kain, and Ankit Sopti, Postman helps developers and companies supercharge their application programming interface workflow. US-headquartered spa and salon software startup Zenoti entered the Unicorn Club this year when it raised $160 million in a Series T funding round led by Advent International through Advent Tech and Sunley House Capital. The round also saw participation from Tiger Global Management and Steadview Partners. Founded in 2010 by Sudhir Kunaru, Dheeraj Kunaru, Zenoti is an all-in-one cloud-based software for salons, spas, and medi-spas. Now Cars24. Gurugram-based online used car marketplace Cars24 entered the Unicorn Club last month by raising $200 million in a Series A funding round led by DST Global. Existing investors, Exoseeds, More Strategic Venture, and Unbound also participated in the round that valued the company above $1 billion. Cars24 will use the funding to invest aggressively in technology and product innovation and scale new business verticals. The ninth startup is FirstCry. Pune-based baby products marketplace FirstCry entered the Unicorn Club in February this year when it raised $296 million INR 2120 crore Series E funding from Japan-based marquee investor SoftBank Vision Fund. The investment is believed to be the first rank of the total $400 million funding which has been committed by SoftBank according to the company's filing with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. According to media reports at the time, the funding round took the company's valuation to $1.2 billion. Now next up is Daily Hunt. News and content aggregator Daily Hunt has become India's first tech unicorn focused on vernacular content after raising $100 million funding from Google, Microsoft and Falcon Edge's Alpha Wave incubation at a unicorn valuation. Existing investors Sofina Group and Lupus Systems also participated in this round. Daily Hunt will use this funding to scale up its recently launched short video app, Josh, further develop its content creator ecosystem and double down on its artificial intelligence and machine learning push for content discovery and recommendations. Last one is Glance. Glance, owned by EdTech unicorn InMobi, has reportedly entered the Unicorn Club after it received a $145 million investment from Google and existing investor Mithril Capital. Glance owns and operates the Indian short video content platform Propozo, besides its own locked screen content product. In September, Naveen Tiwari, founder and CEO of InMobi, had said, "We believe the valuation of InMobi's B2C business is certainly beyond that of a unicorn, and in the coming fundraise, it will definitely be valued over $1 billion, and we are clear about it." So guys, this was it in our today's show. Hope you liked it. We'll be back with another great episode next week. And also don't forget to like and subscribe.